Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a long time. How are you all doing? Hope you guys are fine. And if you are new here, this is Tracy Reality. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, like and also subscribe. And please always turn on your bell notification so that whenever I upload a video, you will be the first to know or notify. So today I want to do a DIY. I want to relax my hair by myself because since I came to Abraka, the people that have been using, most hairdressers, they have not been relaxing my hair to my satisfaction, and I don't want to look as if I'm commanding them or I'm teaching them their job. So before I came to Abraka, there was one particular woman that normally used to retouch my hair even when I was in school. So because when I was in school, I will relax retouch my hair before going to school. Then I will manage the hair till the ending of the semester. When I come back to the village again, then the woman will relax my, because I normally retouch my hair 3 times in a year. So I'll be managing myself like that till I located back to Abraka. So when I came to Abraka, the woman's daughter was schooling at Delaware. So she was the one that was touching my hair from, because she learnt it from her mother. So she had been retouching my hair for me since or not up till last year that she graduated from Abraka. So I've been managing it with other hairdressers, but if I relax the hair within 1 month, the hair is due. So, and my hair cuts a lot, because what they do is, if they just put the relaxer on my hair, they will just be combing it, and it's not done that way. You apply relaxer, then you massage before you now comb. So I said to them, let me just try it. It was not an easy job. It was not an easy job though, but I came through. So please don't go anywhere, and I will allow you to enjoy the video. So it was not easy, because when I was through, my hands and my arms were paining me. I got the desired result that I want, and my hair was so relaxed. So thank you guys. Keep on watching. So the reason why I have not been consistent, my phone is giving me issue. I just pray I'll just manage this phone till maybe October before I will get a new phone, because my phone is giving me issue. I'm just managing it. I don't want the situation where the phone will just break down. We just went totally blind. So I'm just managing it. So you guys should manage me the way I am. Keep supporting your girl. Keep loving the video. Keep loving the channel. Keep liking my video also. And the Lord will bless you. So I'll just leave you guys to enjoy the video. Thank you, and God bless you.
DivineFlavor.com.
She no fine, she too short, she no tall, she too old. I agree, but I like her so. She go break in my heart, yo. Our love will no go walk, oh. Now you sabi, she be my choice. Leave am for me, leave am for me. Anyhow she be, now me the love am, now so I like her, oh. Leave am for me, leave am for me. Anyhow she be, now me the love am, now so I like her, oh. Leave am for me, leave am for me. Anyhow she be, now me the love am, now so I like her, oh. Leave am for me. Her head is too big, leave am. Her mouth is too wide, leave am, oh. Her neck is too long, her leg is too short, her nyash is no big, leave am for me. Her head is too big, leave am. Her mouth is too
music at divineflavor.com.